Are you looking for the best straight router bits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best straight router bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the KOWOOD Plus Double Flute Straight Router Bit Set. KOWOOD Plus Double Flute Straight Router Bit Set is designed for woodworking lovers or carpenters to make cuts straight down into material and form a groove, dado, or hollow out an area for an inlay. This router bit set is made of upgraded KOWOOD C3 carbide that is heat-treated for maximum durability of use. It has a wide range of applications and is suitable for dense wood, laminate, particle board, and plywood. Additionally, the universal 1/4 inches tool holder is compatible with all major desktop router workbenches and handheld table routers or CNC. Up next in the 4th place is the Yonico Straight Router Bit Set. The Yonico Straight Router Bit Set is a versatile tool for woodworking. The set includes 5 bits with 1/2-inch shanks that can be used for both joinery and general cuts. The bits have micro-grain tungsten carbide blades that are sharper and longer lasting, making them suitable for use on CNC, table mount, and handheld routers. Additionally, the bits are designed with silver induction brazing for maximum strength and durability. The 3rd product on our list is the Yonico 14323Q Router Bit Set. The Yonico 14323Q Router Bit Set is perfect for routing dados and straight cut size to receive dressed plywood. These bits come with premium C3 micro-grain tungsten carbide blades for a sharper and longer lasting edge. They can be used on CNC, table mount, and handheld routers, making them versatile for different applications. The silver induction brazing provides maximum strength and durability, ensuring that the bits can withstand heavy use. Second on our list is the SICWOOD 6 PCS Router Bit Set. The SICWOOD Router Bit Set includes 6 carbide-tipped bits designed for various woodworking tasks. With a cutting diameter range from 1/4 inches to 3/4, these bits are perfect for jointing, grooving, and creating rabbets. The 2 flute design ensures a smooth finish, allowing you to achieve professional results with ease. Made from premium tungsten carbide, these bits maintain a sharp edge longer, enhancing your efficiency. They are suitable for use on a variety of materials, including MDF and hardwood, making them versatile for different projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the Freud 91-102 Straight Bit Set. The Freud Straight Bit Set includes 6 versatile bits ranging from 1/4 inches to 1 inch in diameter, allowing you to tackle a variety of woodworking projects with ease. Each bit fits a standard 1/2 inches shank, making them compatible with both handheld and table-mounted routers. The set comes in an attractive wooden storage box, keeping your tools organized and protected. Additionally, the Freud Perma Shield coating ensures durability, allowing you to cut through all types of materials, including plywoods, hardwoods, and softwoods, with a smooth finish. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.